Okay guys, so I figured out how to install the memory card. So if you look at this, there's like a slot here. What you do is you push, insert your fingernail there, you push and then you pull up. Alright, so push, pull up. See, when you hear the clicking sound, then that means it's unlocked or locked. But in this case, we're trying to unlock it. So insert your fingernail in there, push, and then pull up. Okay, so now it's gonna should pop open. Okay, oh, you know what? The lock is going up, going down is to open. Alright, again, lock is to lock is when you pull it up. When you want to lock it, pull it down. Okay, so now it's like a window. Alright, so now you get your memory card and you just follow the shape. Okay, you see the shape right there? There's like a little slot right there. So just place your memory card and then it fits perfectly. Okay, push it a little bit, close the little window here, and then you lock. That's it, you're all set. Okay, make sure everything is leveled. Alrighty then. Okay, so now, so when you get your SIM card from your country, you can just insert it here. As you can see, you can have two. Alright, this one says GSM 1 and GSM 2. Again, you insert your battery like this. Okay. And it looks like the camera is a little bit dirty. Oh, it has dust. So you have to make sure you clean it. Alright. Now, install this guy right here. Make sure it's clean. Okay. Make sure you lock all sides. Okay. Looks like everything is locked. Alright. So now I'm gonna install some games and check out this little guy. It's really small. And I have very small fingers. Let's see, you have your lip balm here. So this is how small it is. Alright. I mean, it's a little bit bulky, but still small. It's very light.